Welcome to Brightly Storytime. I'm Miss Linda. Today's book is super special since it's by us here at Brightly. It's called Nature Activity Book for Little Ones by Samantha Lewis, and it's filled with over 100 fun outdoor activities you can do right in your backyard. All the activities are easy and stress-free ways to enjoy the natural world around us. I'm going to show you a couple of my favorites today, along with my favorite helper, Alan the penguin. Are you all ready? First activity is called Cone You Hear the Birds. We're going to be making a simple natural bird feeder. This one is super fun if you love to bird watch. For this one, you'll need a pine cone, some peanut butter, bird seed, and a knife. To make the feeder, you'll take the pine cone and coat it in peanut butter. Once the pine cone is covered, you can sprinkle some bird seed over it, and voila! You have a bird feeder that's sure to attract all the birds in town. Take some twine and tie it to the top of the pine cone, and then hang it from a tree branch. Alan, do you want any seed? Penguins might be birds, but I don't think they like to eat seeds. I wonder what a penguin feeder would look like. All right. What activity should be next? This one is super fun. This one is called Butterfly Wings, and all you need for it is some sticks and leaves, along with some glue and paint. Make sure you pick the prettiest leaves you can find, because we're going to be making some butterflies out of them. Take your twig and paint a face on it for the butterfly's face. Next, pick out your favorite leaves for the butterfly's wings. Glue the leaves onto the twig. Butterflies need to have symmetrical wings in order to fly properly, but I think it's also okay to take some creative license here. Alan has wings too, but he can't fly. Once all the leaves are on and the glue has dried, you're ready to show the butterfly the world. Butterflies love flowers. What flowers do you have in your area that your butterfly would like? All right, it's time for the last activity, but I'm going to need your help with this one. It's called Colors of Nature. I drew this rainbow. Can you think of things outside to match each color? I want you to draw your own rainbow, and with an adult's permission, go find things outside to match the colors. What color do you think will be the hardest to find? Oh boy, it looks like Alan is already on his way outside to find things to match the rainbow. I better catch up to him before he gets into trouble. Thank you so much for joining us today, and I hope you enjoy all the activities to be found in Nature Activity Book for Little Ones. Bye!